Hey, you found him? Killer.
Oh, you have a great night.
Thanks, brother. You too. Quarter it is. Someone must have forgot their socks. They're like everywhere. There's a pair, there's some out there, there's some over here. Yeah, I think we got to get a change of scenery tomorrow. Might go down south. I've been wanting to go over there to Little Tablet Island. I haven't been there in years. It's like I guess they just let you started metal detecting out there or something. I know Big Tablet Island you can't go out there. They won't allow you to metal set. Alright guys, check out the new light. Works pretty good. Got like a quarter. Yeah, that light is night and day compared to that. I had a little Energizer, the one that's got the three little lights on it, the red one. And this one is just, this one's killer. And this one was even cheaper. I got it on sale, Black Friday sale. No way! A daily vape. Been a while since I found one of these. Cola ice. Some of that bunkety bunk. Alright, let's put that in there. Well, maybe we can get a Target before we leave. We'll try one more. You want the product back? They let me keep the product. So that was excellent. Yeah, but what I'm fixing to get a T-Rex. I got a carbon fiber pole, but it's just 1 1/4. I want to get the 1 3/8. It's a little bit thicker. I'll probably get the 54 where it's a little bit longer, and the T-Rex. So this thing will not bite out there in that wet sand. That's why I don't hunt out there. I mean, it's hard to even. It'll dig, you know, the soft stuff pretty decent, but I want to get one of them T-Rexes that'll really get into it. I was looking at the Extreme. It's a little pricey, but I heard they're very, very good too. Yeah. But anyway.
And you're on McCormick.
Yes, sir. D McCormick Outdoors
Steve.
in Florida.
Steve McCormick.
D as in David.
Oh, D McCormick.
Yes. Well, like they say, you gotta dig it. Alright guys, we came on back to the reserve one more time. I got everything together today finally, so I expect to do a hunt for a little while out here. See what kind of goodies we can get. Got a good low tide out there. Looks like there's a big old cut in the sand. I'll walk down here a little bit and check it out. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. I thought it was gonna be real cold, and I'm in my tank top, so it's like I'm ready to go today. Yeah, the sand is like really soft, so it might be some packed sand in here. You can see it's like a mountain, then it goes up to another mountain. So maybe we can find something out here today. Remember last time it got real interesting and then the coil broke. I sent that back to my lab and they sent me a brand new one, so I'm dang sure ready to go now. I've been using this 15, this new 15. Started getting my arm a little tired last night, but I was tired anyway. But anyway, I went to Jack's Beach last night, and of course I wasn't finding anything out there. I was finding some change. That's about it, talking to a few people. But well, let me get hunting and see what I can get. I'll come back on the first target. No idea what it is. I think it's a piece of cancel, but let's see if we can get a better shot of it right here. Yeah, I have no idea. Anyway, in the pouch. We're gonna go down here a little ways, guys, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna head on out and go to the next one. Be a couple targets. Like cancel. More of that from what I got down there at the other place. Yeah, I thought I was going to have a different outing out here. I mean, it's just all I'm getting is trash down here down south. I know it's targets, but Who wants to dig pan fly all day? Dancer can't make a video with it. Go up here to this low spot. Sure is chill down here. Look at that shell. That shell's almost complete. Cool. Look at that. Any oysters in it? I put that in the old sack. That's a big shell. What's the size of that shell? It's a big one. Target right here. Allow me to not allow me to dig right there. Water is plowing in. Get a better view of what I'm doing down here. Imagine the 21 being gold, that would be huge. pennies get hard to find, huh? Like, you know, how long can I sit here and keep digging over a penny? So I need a good scoop. I need a T-Rex or an Extreme. That water's going quick. Took a lot to get that out of it. Let's see where it is. Like, wow. Crusty penny. Been down there a while. Check this house up here. I mean, look how close that is to the water. That little wooden one right there, how's that thing still standing? It had to be built back in the day. And there was nothing out here. Probably got that piece of property for crazy low amounts. Now it's worth in the millions. Yeah, it's like in town, maybe 150, 200, maybe 250, maybe 300 at the most. Out here, millions. Doesn't even need a house to be sitting on that location. Oh, getting a target right there. These little grunts. Went from an 18 to a 14. Wasn't deep down at all, whatever it is. Right here, whatever it is, that'll be tiny. Possibly a piece of can slaw. I think that's it. Right? Toy. I don't think it's, can't read the writing on it. Oh, it's a 67 Thunderbird, cool. But I do notice that thing is way on down there. So there must be, all this is filled in with sand so much. That's not so hard to find anything. We'll head on back up. And we'll possibly hit one more spot. Alright guys, came back down to Micklers. Hit all them other spots down south a little further, wasn't getting anything. It's just one of them kind of days. Pretty packed out here today. So I figured I'd give it a go before I head back to town. Better start getting some picks in here.
Setup you got there.
Thanks, bud. I'm just hoping to find something. It's been tough today out here. Alright guys, we got an 18 right here.
You find out what says,
huh? Not today, Bob.
Okay. I'm just kidding.
Wow. It's like three, I was thinking it was a coin, but actually it's a, yeah, like a shotgun shell, part of it, I want to say. Huh. That's a first for out here. Alright, to the next guy. Alright guys, got a 20 target down here. pretty close to the surface. Looks like we got a fishing weight. Back to me on that target. Old crusty penny, I think it is. Been down there a little while. Alright, I have to clean it up when I get home. I think it's a penny. I can't tell. Alright guys, another target right down here by the water. I see something shining down there. No, I guess that ain't it. I thought it was. Yep. Go back into it. No, it looks like they got a piece of tiny little piece of jewelry, a little stone. Washed it off real quick. Whack in the fucking face. Alright, let's see what we got. Huh. Well, I don't know. I'll have to test it when I get home. Alright, to the next. I have no idea what it is, guys, but another target. Reading 1819.